Dear viewers and dear students who are with me in the class of Literary Criticism Semester 4, today we are going to discuss the topic Elements of Tragedy. Ji. The video is not being made, only you people can listen to my voice through the audio. So the first important constituent or the most important constituent is the plot. Plot is the arrangement of incidents. It should be unified. It should involve a change from good fortune to bad or vice versa. The second important constituent is character. Character should be subservient to the plot, as we have been discussing this point during our previous discussions. It is the second most important element of the tragedy. It reveals a moral purpose, and that moral purpose is revealed through the choices or the choice that the character makes during the course of the play. Most importantly, the character of the tragic hero should be of noble birth. He should possess a tragic flaw. Tragic flaw means the defect of the character. During the course of the play, the character passes through a number of phases. He makes certain choices and he has to suffer the consequences of the choices that he makes. And as a result of that, he experiences a reversal of fortune. It implies that he passes from the phase of happiness to the phase of misery. Next important point is thought. Thought is the intellectual content of a tragedy. You may link it with the moral vision of the playwright, the values that he projects through his play. It should be closely linked to the plot and the character. And secondly, the thought must be natural. Next important point is diction. Diction is the language which is used in a play. It depends on the dialogues of the play most of the time. And in diction, choice of words and their arrangement and style are important. Fifth important constituent of the tragedy is melody. Melody consists of music and rhythm of language. It enhances the emotional impact of a tragedy. Last but not the least is spectacle. Spectacle is the visual elements in tragedy. The fall of a good man from prosperity to misery, it produces a very effective spectacle.